My name is Utkarsh Verma. The biomedical setup that I am going to talk about is titled Magnetic Nanoparticles Based Device for Targeting Cancer Cells. This device would work on the principle of magnetic hypothermia. Hypothermia is mild elevation of temperature which can induce cancer cell death. Hypothermia treatment is heavily influenced by both temperature and duration of the treatment. It also enhances immune response via several mechanisms. With recent advancement, there is a new interest in magnetic hypothermia that is targeted 10 to 100 nanometer magnetic iron oxide nanoparticles. For the sake of this presentation, we will refer these magnetic iron oxide nanoparticles as myons. They are administered and utilized to heat tumors under alternating magnetic field. There is heat radiation in myons in presence of magnetic field. So now what are the magnetic material properties of myons which allow it to create this heating effect? The magnetic properties of myons arise from the presence of ions with different valency in their crystal structure. For example, Fe3O4 consists of 2 trivalent and 1 divalent ion. Unpaired electrons result in parallel magnetic moments that do not cancel out, thus are subject to strong spontaneous magnetization. While designing this device, the size of nanoparticles is important because large nanoparticle will have multiple magnetic domains and would heat via hysteresis loss. While if the particles are small, it would heat by Brownian or Neal relaxation. Due to synergy between pore sizes and activity of cell membrane, cancer cells have much higher affinity for nanoparticles. But there are some disadvantages to this device also. Both malignant and non-malignant cells are equally sensitive to heating, so there is risk of killing both healthy cells and as well as cancerous cells. Another drawback is that some patients develop thermal tolerance. So the device I designed is this. There will be a core of ferrite nanoparticles and it would be directed to cancer cells. There will be a second layer which will have the drug to be introduced or that can kill the cancer cells. And it would also be surrounded by a temperature responsive polymer. So this is a small demonstration of the usage of that device. Myons lead to localized heating of the tumor followed by apoptosis of target cells. So I hope that this device, which is hypothetically designed by me, would work.